side of the main door has been completely sanded and is ready to be painted. Of course, these boards have been replaced. All of them were completely rotten. It went down here, it was completely rotten out as well. And several hours of sanding, scraping, all these sides here. Many hours worth of work on this alone. It's actually quite a shocker to me that how long it actually took to do this. Hoping to have this completed by this weekend. There's a face of board up there, that was also replaced. It's completely rotten out. 1290 Farrington.